Good morning, dear children.
Ma'am, not a good morning, but a very superb good morning, ma'am.
What is this here in super beta?
Ma'am, super matlab I am full of new energy today.
Good, very good. It should be there. Yes,
You always.
yes, it is very good thing.
Ma'am, I have heard that, ma'am, the examination will be, if held in Vijay, so ma'am, it will happen in ma'am Nahar sir's cabin.
Yes, Nahar sir's cabin what?
Ma'am, I have heard that someone told me that, the,
Na? All you have to participate here, not only Chaitanya, Pulkit and so on. 2 to 4 children are active in the class. So all you have to be active in the class like Tanvi, Lavanya, Jinal, Laksh, all have to be active. Yes, Chaitanya?
ma'am, why would we not get chance, ma'am, me and Pulkit and
No, no,
other
you
students?
will get chance, beta. I told always you two are very active in the class. Now all have to be active in the class. I told. You will get chance.
Okay.
I never told you will not get chance. Na? All of you will get chance. Fine. So screen is visible to all of you. Is it
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay? This is a worksheet which we are going to discuss today. First of
Good
all,
morning, ma'am.
good morning. Fill in the blanks. The introduction to DAS recognition of forest rights act state that this act is meant to undo the historical injustice meted out to forest dwelling population in not recognizing their right to land and resources. Yes, I am waiting for the answer, children.
Ma'am, our forest act.
Yes, Forest Act.
Yes, yes.
Introduction
Forest
to
act.
Forest Act. Now, question number 2. Choose the correct answer. Is casteism should be there? So, before
Ma'am, the
answering,
question is
before
only wrong.
1 minute before answering, let me complete my word. You have to justify your answer. Choose the correct answer. Is casteism should be there?
Ma'am, question is only wrong. But if the question is right, so I will say no.
Yes. The right answer is
Ma'am,
no, and
no.
justify your answer. Why no?
Ma'am, no, because see, ma'am, casteism. It means that one caste is higher and one is lower. This is truly and truly unjust because, ma'am, everybody is equal in this political, social, and the emotional democracy.
Very good. As we all Indians are equal before the law, so casteism should not be there.
Yeah.
Yes, if casteism would be there, it means we are not respecting our constitution. Casteism matlab some
Yes.
caste are upper caste, some are lower caste, some are backward caste. Means categories are there. है ना? This
Hmm.
is not good thing. Very good. Now give chance to others also. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. Victories had to be remembered, implanted in the memory of people through paintings both in Dash in Britain.
Ma'am, ma'am, Chaitanya, ma'am, please.
Ma'am, may I,
Ma'am,
Naman?
your voice is
Oh no, no,
cracking.
all
Chaitanya.
the time Chaitanya will not tell. Yes, Naman,
Ma'am, I think it is India.
I think, I think it's India.
Ma'am, India only.
हाँ, India. Now, state yes or no.
Ma'am, yes.
Chetan, it is very bad thing, beta. Let other also
Ma'am,
participate.
sorry, I will not say.
Sulabh, a non-government organization has constructed more than 8,500 public toilets blocks. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, it's right. Deep breath is also saying yes. Now question number 4.
Can I?
Ma'am, can I tell? Question
Ma'am,
number
can I
5.
tell?
Question number
Ma'am,
5.
question 5 करिए. Chaitanya.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Minerals are
Ma'am,
created
Chaitanya will tell.
manual process without any human interference.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, can I Chaitanya?
Ma'am Saksham.
Ma'am, Chaitanya.
Laksh,
Ma'am
Laksh.
Saksham.
No. Ma'am, the answer is no.
The answer is no. Wait, before justifying, wait. Rashi, Deep is also saying no. Rashi, Gunjan, Lavya Soni is also saying no.
Ma'am, please repeat the question. I'm not able to understand question.
Minerals are created by manual process without any human interference.
Ma'am, no.
Very true.
Acha, those who are saying
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
no.
yes.
False.
Yes.
no,
Yes, ma'am.
why no, Bhumika?
Eh,
Rashi Jain is saying yes. If it is no, why? If it is yes, why?
Ma'am, yes, because ma'am, I'm giving you a reason, please.
Wait, keep patient. I will ask.
Yeah.
Ma'am, they're naturally occurring.
There are two Kriti in my class. So both the Kriti, please keep your video. Please on your video, both of you.
Ma'am, may I tell the reason?
राशि दोनों कृति अपना अपना वीडियो ऑन करेंगे, एक कृति गायब होगी. दिस इज द थिंग. किसी के भी नाम से कोई भी एंट्री हो जा रहा है यहाँ पे. यस राशि, नाउ टेल.
Ma'am, I have to share one very
It is
important thing. Ma'am, जो portal
yes,
है ना,
because they are a naturally occurring substance.
हाँ यस राशि.
Ma'am, they are naturally occurring, so there is means appearance of human.
They are
naturally
naturally
occurring.
occurring thing.
Ma'am, may I tell, please?
Minerals are created by manual process without any human interference.
Ma'am, now Chaitanya will tell.
So you are saying yes without any.
Ma'am, Chaitanya, and I'm saying yes.
Minerals are naturally occurring. Yes. Those
Ma'am,
who are
see.
saying no, now it's done. Those who are saying no, please justify your answer. Laksh,
मैम मैं एक बार अपना आंसर जस्टिफाई कर दूं यस वाला. इट इज वेरी डिफरेंट.
chance to others.
Ma'am,
I'm waiting for your answer, Laksh. Bhumika, you also told no. Bhumika, अच्छा मत बोलो. Yes, Chaitanya, you tell.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ सक्षम बोलो.
मैम मैंने यस कहा था.
So give me the reason.
Ma'am, because in ancient time minerals also are found without any human interference.
Human eruption. हाँ human eruption.
गलती से हो गया था.
Okay, कोई नहीं बेटा. Yes,
Excuse me,
Chaitanya.
ma'am. Yeah, now I'm telling. Ma'am, first of all, I wanted to tell a complaint that मैम जो अपन दो तरीके से ज्वाइन करते हैं ना, एक तो लिखा रहता है ज्वाइन वाया जूम, दूसरे ऊपर में लिखा रहता है ज्वाइन लाइव क्लास. तो जब वो ज्वाइन लाइव क्लास को ज्वाइन करते हैं और मान लो कुछ नेटवर्क एरर आ गया फॉर एग्जांपल, तो अपने आप लीव हो जाते हैं ना. तो मैम उससे ना अपन जूम मीटिंग में लीव करते हैं तो पूरी आईडी हट जाती है. उस लाइव क्लास में अपन लीव करते हैं ना, वो आईडी रहती है बट अपन लीव हो जाते हैं. एंड मैम सेकंड, मैम नाउ कैन आई जस्टिफाई प्लीज?
Yes.
यस. सो मैम देखो, ये जो मिनरल रहते हैं ना, ये रॉक्स में दबे रहते हैं, एज यू नो. सो मैम व्हाट हैपन दैट मैम these rocks they can't be made by human. No human interference is needed. Nature is doing its work. It needs it needs many years to get compressed and then to become mineral. It is not a human process. It's a natural and very long time taking process.
Good. Yes. Now, how did company purchase it? Is omitted. State yes or no. Public facility is not available to all at an affordable rate.
Ma'am, now Chaitanya will tell her, please.
No,
Ma'am, Chaitanya.
not all the time. Chaitanya will tell. Anyone else?
Ma'am, it is false.
Gunjan. Yes, Gunjan.
Ma'am, can you again show the question?
Ma'am, it is false.
Why? Why it is?
Ma'am, because
Why it is?
ma'am, because all are equal.
In this way you will answer, बेटा. पूरे sentence में बोलो ना. Tell your answer in a complete sentence.
Ma'am, because public facilities is for all the people.
Yes. At very cheap cost, so it is affordable for all the people. Yes. Fill in the blanks. Ravi Verma belonged to the family of Maharajas of Des in Kerala and was addressed by as a Raja. State true or false. By the second half of 19th century, the widow remarriage movement spread to the other parts of the country.
True.
Second half of 19th century, the widow remarriage movement spread to other parts of
True. True.
False. Ma'am, false.
Who is saying false? True. Yes, Gunjan. I'm waiting for your response, children.
True, ma'am.
True. एक दो true एक false आ गया है. Let's see how many are saying true. Please raise your hand. How many of you are saying true? Pulkit, Keshav,
Yes.
Sakshi. Only 3 are saying true. Acha, Gunjan is also saying Ishika Sethia. These 4 children are saying true. Okay, fine. Now, raise your hand those who are saying wrong. Ishika? Acha. Now raise your hand those who are saying wrong. The given statement is false. Means rest of students are saying no. केशव बैद, आप दोनों कैसे कह सकते हो, ट्रू और फॉल्स?
Ma'am, by mistake it was.
ओके.
I am in true.
So rest of children are saying wrong. Yes, Chaitanya? दर्शन, दीप, दिशा, गुंजन, निशिका हो गया, जैनम, कुशल, लक्ष्य, लावण्या, नव्य, सोनी, मोक्ष, पिंचा, नमन, पहल.
Yes, ma'am.
According to you, given statement is true or false?
Ma'am, false. False.
False. That's why I'm saying the children, please raise your hand. Those who are saying false, raise your hands. Deep Bed is saying false. I said raise your hand. आपके मोबाइल में या जिसमें भी लैपटॉप में whatsoever using reaction part is given there, click on it, then after you can raise hand. Reactions are there. Rest of the class sleeping. Are you sleeping, children? कोई मतलब नहीं बाकी लोग को क्लास में बैठने से. By the second half of the 19th century, the widow remarriage movement spread to the part of the country is true. जो false कह रहे हैं वो गलत है. Now fill in the blanks. The Congress split dash.
1945.
Split in dash.
1945.
My goodness, wrong answer. Gunjan, क्या बोल रहे हो? 1945. Congress split in dash here. Means split in two parts. Extremist and
Ma'am, can I tell?
Can I, ma'am?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, extremist and moderate.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 1907.
Yes, 1907 is right.
Not 7.
1907 is right answer. Congress is split in two parts.
Extremist and moderation. 1907.
1907.
Not 7.
Now again fill in the blanks. This is one of the reason of change in population size. This is one of the reason of change in population size.
Can I?
Wait. Yes, Pulkit.
Ma'am, more marriage.
No.
Ma'am, social factors.
Social factors how? सोच समझ के बोलो बेटा. Only one factor you need to write over here. Death is one of the reason of change in population size. As per your NCERT term, as per your chapter, ठीक है? It's not a value-based question.
Birth rate is high.
Yes, when birth rate is high.
High.
Increasing of birth rate is one of the reason of change in population size, or increasing of death rate is also change in population size. If birth rate will increase, it means size of population will be grown up.
Yes.
If death rate will be increased, the size of population will be decreased.
Decrease. Yes.
Yes. So these are the correct
birth rate is increased, death rate is decreased.
Birth rate or decreasing, increasing of death rate. Anything could be there. Fine.
Yes, ma'am. Next.
Next. And the next question is, fill in the blanks from the 18th century. A stream of dash came in India along with the British traders and rulers. A stream.
Correct.
Huh?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Mughals.
Huh? Along with the British traders, Mughals are too. A stream.
Portuguese.
Portuguese.
Wait.
नहीं. Stream.
French.
Stream.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, outsiders.
Yes, we can say outsiders. Next question. Again,
Like.
outsider Britishers themselves are outsiders. Stream of them.
Ma'am, Dikus. Ma'am, Dikus. We can say Dikus, no?
Beta Diku is a term used for the outsiders. है ना? Now fill in the blanks. The other dash of the Supreme Court and High Court are appointed by the President after consulting the CJI. Dash of the Supreme Court and High Court are appointed by the President after consulting the CJI
Chief Justice.
of India.
Yes, ma'am. Chief Justice.
Chief Justice of the Supreme Court and
India.
Justice.
are appointed by the President. Yes, Chief Justice is the right answer. Next,
Yes.
again fill in the blank. Judiciary in India is also known for its. Judiciary in India is also known for its
Law.
law or
Ma'am, law. Colonial judiciary.
think and tell. Fill in the blanks है. Judiciary in India is also known for its what? पहले सोचो फिर बोलो. Judiciary in India is also known for its.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
law.
subsidiary parts.
Subsidiary parts. Laws. Authority.
Judiciary in India is also known for its. क्या बोला था पुलकित आपने फर्स्ट?
Law. Law बोला था मैम.
लॉ एंड जस्ट कर दो तो सही हो जाएगा. ठीक है, लॉ एंड जस्ट.
Yes, ma'am.
It yes or no? The work women do is often considered less than men.
Yes.
Yes.
The work woman do is often considered of less value than done by the men. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why? Justify your
Um,
statement. Yes, I agreed. I am also saying yes, but why?
Ma'am, it's according to the thinking of the society.
Yes, ma'am. All will think the man
of the society
goes to work.
stereotype. क्या बोलते हैं?
Stereotype.
Yes.
Stereotype, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, stereotype.
Mindset.
All will think that
Just because of
The man goes to work.
society. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, many dash who wished to work independently found it difficult to compete with the British government aided pathshalas. Dash, many dash who wished to work independently found
Ma'am, gurus, many
Yes,
gurus,
ma'am. Gurus.
who
Yes,
wish to work
ma'am.
independently.
Gurus.
many gurus who wished to work independently found it
मैम
difficult
ट्री के नीचे पढ़ाते थे ना मैम.
with the British government added Pathshala. Yes, under the tree, under the banyan tree, and all
Yes,
other
ma'am.
tree, big tree, they supposed to sit, and other children of all age groups, no segregation of age group was there. All they sit together according to their skills. Gurus supposed to teach them.
Yes.
Now next is fill in the blanks again. Dash means a picture printed onto paper. It is omitted part. State true or false. In September 1839, after 2 years of Congress rule in provinces, the Second World War broke out.
इस बार प्लीज चांस मिल सकता है प्लीज.
Yes, Chaitanya, bolo.
यस मैम स्टेट ट्रू और फॉल्स वाला 18th क्वेश्चन ना.
Yes.
Ma'am, yes, it is true. It is true.
Again, see the question. In September 1839, after 2 years of Congress rule in provinces, the Second World War broke out. It's
No.
Ma'am, it is absolutely false.
completely
Yes, ma'am. Now it
false.
is false. I understood after
Ma'am,
seeing.
because the Second World War is started in 1940 to
Yes.
45, and first
मैं
one
कंफ्यूज हो गया
1950.
था. मेरे को जो नंबर लिखा है ना 1839
Yes,
मेरे को
कितना-
क्लियर हो रहा था 1939. Therefore,
मैम, कितने साल पहले का इसमें
Happens.
लिखा हुआ है?
That's why I always supposed to tell is read the question, understand the question properly, then answer. है ना?
Yeah.
The given
19th क्वेश्चन का मैं बस आंसर दूंगा फिर नहीं दूंगा भले प्लीज.
The given statement is absolutely wrong because World War II
broke out in 1939.
मैं समझ गई थी आपको यहाँ पे डाउट हुआ है. Now, what was the first objective of the Constitution?
Ma'am, please.
Can I?
Ma'am, Chaitanya. Ma'am, not got chance. Therefore.
Can I?
एक मिनट, let me see.
Chaitanya.
पुलकित और चैतन्य के अलावा कोई और बोलना है? Yes, चैतन्य.
जो हमारा इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन था ना मैम, उसका जो फर्स्ट एम था ना अचीव करने. क्या?
In English only.
In
Yes,
English.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The first objective of the Indian Constitution was to achieve social, political, and emotional equality. Is it right?
Later on I will tell. Let me first listen to Pulkit also. Yes, Pulkit.
Yes, ma'am. The first objective of the Constitution was to secure justice, social and economic, political.
Social, economical, and political.
Economic and political.
Ultimately, you are also saying equality. Yes, both of you
Yes,
are correct, right. The right answer is all Indian citizens are equal before the law. This is the first objective of our constitution.
Constitution.
All Indian citizens are equal before the law. Next is Tipu Sultan.
Ma'am, 21. Ma'am, 20th question is absolutely false.
Yes, ma'am, false.
Absolutely false.
Was one of the
Bihar.
most powerful enemies of the British.
Absolutely false.
Yes, false. 1 minute. Now nobody.
Ma'am, because Tipu Sultan is the king of.
Pulkit, quiet. Suryansh, why it is false, beta?
Ma'am, may I explain, Naman?
एक मिनट नमन. Suryansh, why it is false? Suryansh, you are saying false. Why?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait, Chaitanya, wait.
Ma'am, मेरा आंसर सही था गलत?
Ma'am, may I tell?
एक minute. You will get chance. Suryansh, I'm asking to you. Okay, Sakshi Nahata, you tell. Chaitanya, don't make noise, beta. Yes, Naman, tell.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, yeah, ma'am, it was written that Tipu Sultan was king of Bihar. Ma'am, Tipu Sultan was king of Mysore.
Yes, because Tipu Sultan belonged to Mysore.
Mysore. And that
That's
thing
why
is
the
true.
given statement
That
is wrong.
that Tipu Sultan is the powerful enemies of British.
The second part of the statement is absolutely right. He was the most powerful enemy of the British, but the given statement is wrong because Tipu Sultan did not belong to Bihar. He was king of Mysore. Okay, let's check our answer. So answers are given here. Fine. Have you enjoyed the class today?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
do you want any revision of any particular chapter? Because 1st of March,
Yes, ma'am.
examinations are there.
मैम मेरा आंसर सही था क्या?
One by one, beta, one by one, not in this way. Do you want any?
टाइम नहीं है प्लीज.
हाँ?
Can you tell मेरा आंसर सही था क्या वो इक्वालिटी वाला?
सही था बेटा. I told ना both of you were correct.
Okay.
Now I want to know from your side, do you want any revision of any specific chapter? Because first.
Yes, ma'am. Civic.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rashi.
India after independence.
India after independence, that day you were absent. We already revised. Recently we have revised. So please see recording live class, है ना? See that video.
Yes.
Rather than that chapter. Recently we have revised Rashi. See that video. Go to your portal. See that video.
Ma'am, can we revise 5th chapter?
Revolt. 5th chapter of
Yes,
history.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 5th chapter of history.
Sure, we will revise 1850, Revolt of 1857. This is one of my most favorite chapter too. Revolt of 1857. Yes, we will revise this.
मैम आई heard that अभी जो इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है ना कोई 5-year प्लान नहीं आ रहा, अब 3-year प्लान्स चालू हो चुके हैं.
क्या बोला आपने? फिर से बोलो.
मैम जो 5-year प्लान्स होते थे ना,
हाँ,
अब वो नहीं होता. 2017 से एक नया टर्म है which is known as the 3-year plan.
okay. So later on I will see that. Okay.
It is very true, ma'am.
Ma'am, what the 3 years plan? Ma'am, every prime minister is the term year of 5 year. So, ma'am, what the 3 year?
Rashi, for you only a quick revision of the chapter India after independence. A new divided nation was there. It was known as Pakistan. Okay. So many problems and challenges were there. Most common problem was Hindu versus Muslim, high caste fighting with the low caste. This was the most important problem of India. The second thing was a constitution is written. Okay. Whenever we got any new country is there, the first thing we want is constitution to rule a country. So the meeting of constituent assembly was made ठीक है. New constitution was come into effect on 26 January 1950. One feature of the constitution was to adoption was universal adult franchise, means all adults of India are able to vote, and that time age of adult was 21. Fine. And national election was there. It guaranteed equality before the law of all citizens. The third feature of the constitution was that it offered special privilege for the poorest and the most disadvantaged group of India like STs and SCs. The practice of untouchability was abolished. Temples which were once open for higher castes were now open to all, including the untouchables or the Harijans. Along with the former untouchables and Adivasis or the scheduled tribals were also granted reservation and seats in jobs. The Constitution Assembly spent many days in discussing the parts of the central government and the state government. Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry. Next is the union list was prepared, union list, state list and concurrent list. Union list, it has subject like taxes, defense and foreign affairs which are the responsibility of the center. The state list has subjects like education and health which would be taken care of principally by the state. The concurrent list comprise of forest, agriculture, etc., in which center and state would have joint responsibility. Okay. Planning for development was there.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day. Take care. Good. Tata.